From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, here are the headlines. Court orders women to stop using ex-husband's name after 11 years. Soludo bans loud preaching in Anambra markets. Imposes 500,000 naira fine. Power Minister Adebayo Adelabu condemns attack on Ikeja electricity office by Air Force personnel. Now the news in detail. A customary court sitting in Rumogwa, Rivers State, on Friday stopped a woman, Mrs. Kate Ngbo, from continuing to bear her former husband's name with immediate effect. 11 years after the divorce, the claimant, Chief Sam Ngbo, sought the court's order to restrain his ex-wife, Mrs. Kate Ngbo, from continuing to bear his name. The court, after hearing the submissions of E.O. Ehiri, counsel of the claimant, and R.U. Egwenre, counsel for the defendant, granted the orders. Delivering the judgment, the chairman of Customary Court, H.A. Nokam, and member L.G. Woke ordered that the defendant has no right, except on the express permission of the claimant, to continue to bear or answer his name, Ngbo or Sam Ngbo, as the case may be. The customary court chairman said the court ordered the defendant to revert to her maiden name or any other name of her choice, excepting Ngbo or Sam Ngbo, as the case may be. The court consequently stripped the defendant of the name Ngbo or Sam Ngbo. Neither the claimant nor defendant was in court while the judgment was delivered, but the duo was represented by their legal counsels. In other news, Anambra State Governor Professor Chukwuma Soludo has issued a stern warning to roadside preachers using loudspeakers in public spaces, particularly markets, accusing them of causing noise pollution and disturbing residents. Soludo stated that anyone caught violating the noise pollution order would face 500,000 naira fine. A viral video circulating on social media on Saturday shows the governor warning an unidentified roadside preacher at a market to stop disrupting traders with his preaching. He advised the preacher to either preach in a church or rent an open field, adding that those interested in listening would seek him out there. Addressing traders at a market believed to be Ochanja Market in Onitsha, the governor said,
"You want to preach the word of God, you go to your church. Are you getting me? You are causing pollution. You cannot come to a marketplace and begin to disturb everybody else. Are you getting me? You want to preach the word of God, you go to a church. The person who wants to come to your church will come to your church. But you don't force everybody. In a marketplace, people have come to trade. It's not a church."
And lastly for tonight, Minister of Power Adebayo Adelabu has strongly condemned the attack on the headquarters of Ikeja Electricity Distribution Company, IKEDC, allegedly carried out by Nigerian Air Force, NAF personnel. The incident, which occurred on Thursday, reportedly left several individuals injured and caused extensive damage to critical power infrastructure. In a statement released on Friday by its Special Advisor on Strategic Communications, Bolaji Tunji, Adelabu described the attack as an unfortunate and unacceptable, warning that such actions could have dire consequences on the nation's electricity supply. Reports indicate that the assault followed the disconnection of power at the Sam Eaton Air Force Base in Ikeja, Lagos, over an outstanding electricity bills. Adelabu expressed deep concern over the violent response, stressing that disputes in a democratic society should be settled through legal and diplomatic means rather than physical aggression. Highlighting the strategic importance of power sector, the minister warned that any attack on its infrastructure directly affects national development and the well-being of the citizens. He further emphasized that no grievance, no matter how legitimate, justifies the destruction of public infrastructure. Adelabu called on all parties involved to exercise restraint and seek peaceful, lawful avenues for resolving conflicts. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.